Hey folks, welcome back to Carl's Place. I'm Carl, and today I'm not going to cook because I don't do just cooking here at Carl's Place. I do other things. So today I'm going to show you how to clean a cast iron pan. Stick with me. Cast iron pan, there's a lot of controversy around how to clean it. Now, this video isn't it's not a video to say your way is wrong and my way is right. This is how I clean my pan. You clean your pan your way. I'm just going to show you how I do mine, and it's never failed me. It continues to be nonstick after having this pan for years and cleaning it the same way I'm going to show you now. So, of course, a lot of people say you don't use water, you don't use soap, and you don't scrub. Well, guess what I do? I use water, I use soap, and I scrub it. And it's never failed me. It's what I do after that that counts, because I'm more interested in a non-stick surface. Then, of course, there's the other side of the fence where the people say, "Oh, it's seasoned." And I've seen people, I know people that they don't clean their pan at all. They'll just wipe out the residue and leave it there. And I have a little bit of a problem eating a cheeseburger that was cooked in old chicken fat. I'm just saying, I mean, if you cook it for me, I'll eat it because I try not to be a rude person. And I will take one for the team and potentially give myself the grippers just for you. I'm just saying, your pan's dirty. So, yeah, let's get to it. Okay, what you're going to need is obviously a dirty pan. I cooked some chicken, say. So I don't want to leave that on there, just wipe this out and then let the chicken fat kind of, no, I'm not doing that. So dirty pan, a little bit of a scraper, any kind of device you can scrape the extra little bits off. You shouldn't have too much because the pan is seasoned even the way I do it. So there shouldn't be too much, but just in case, some oil. I use olive oil and an absorbent cloth along with some paper towels. So let's get a close up and start cleaning this. Okay, to clean your pan. Now you'll see this, it looks like it has sticky bits, but it's just mostly residual. But I take my scraper and I gently, I don't, gouge the pan, and just gently make sure there's no extra bits on there that shouldn't be, because you don't want that going down your drain. Yeah, seemed pretty good. Okay, and once you've done that, you want to take some paper towels and just give it a wiping out, because you don't want that going down your drain. Okay, and that's it. So you want to, now a lot of people apparently stop here. I don't. So let's move it over to the sink. This is my sink and this is my pan. We're going to clean it. Let me take my ring off. All right, the first thing I do is I take the what is this? Silicone. The silicone handle off. I'm going to give that a quick scrub too.
Really?
What I do, I put a little bit of warm water, a little bit of soap, just 1-2 dashes, and then a scouring. Don't use an SOS pad or a Brillo pad or anything like that. Just use a regular sponge with a scrubby side. And you want to scrub it, but you don't want to scrub the pan. You want to clean the pan. So just gently go around. Just enough. Because even though you're cleaning it, there's still a coating that has occurred in this pan. And you don't want to scrub it off, so gently, but enough to clean it. And give your silicone a little cleaning there. And rinse it off. Okay. Now you take your absorbent cloth and dry the pan. Make sure you get as much as you can. all sides. All right, so now we move over to the stovetop. All right, now we moved over to the stove. What you want to do is put your pan on. Even though you've dried it, you want to heat the pan up, and that's going to remove any other additional moisture from the pan that you missed. Because these pans are textured, so there could be moisture in there, and that helps promote rust. So you want to get rid of all the moisture. Turn your oven on to medium-high and let it warm up. You can feel the pan getting warmer. Now you want to get it warm to the point where if you throw a drop of water, it sizzles and disappears immediately. So if you throw a drop of water on there and it sits there and evaporates slowly, it's not hot enough. You want it to touch and disappear. Okay, let's see. It's pretty warm now. Let's put a drop of water on. Yep. Other one, because that's kind of fun. All right, so that's it. Now what you want to do, leave it on for a second more. Pour your oil in your pan. You can use whatever oil you want. I use olive oil. Put enough to coat the bottom, and it starts to smoke. Then shut the stovetop off. Now, it is going to smoke a little bit, but that's fine. It's going to stop pretty quickly. And you just want to spread the oil thinly around your pan. And that's it. Now you leave it there. Let it sit here and let it cool down. I'm back. The pan is cooled off. And as you can see, it has a nice finish, nice and clean, ready to go for the next time. Back in the cupboard. And that's it for the video. Nice and easy. And the best part is I did the video and now I don't have to clean up because I just cleaned. It's fantastic. So if you like today's video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have subscribed, don't forget to hit your notification button so you don't miss any future videos from Carl's Place. And please, guys, please subscribe. Thank you.